Please make with your seatbelt fastened until the captain switches the seatbelt signs off, and if you're in your seats. Recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened and visible over any clothing in case you encounter any unexpected turbulence along the way. Lying or sleeping on the floor is not permitted at any time. Non-smoking flights, including e-cigarettes and vapes, charging off these devices from the onboard power supply is not permitted. And they fit in sensitive smoke detectors in the toilets. Any alcohol served by the cabin crew is legally allowed to be consumed on board in moderation only. Drinks of alcohol increase with altitude. If you've brought any of your own bottles on board, they must remain sealed and intact until we arrive to Cyprus. We're looking forward to taking on the holiday. Please feed them and your fellow customers with the kindness and courtesy you expect in return. If you'd like to read some more safety information, it's on the back of this shop magazine. Window blinds are currently locked for takeoff. They'll be released very shortly. We suggest you close them completely to aid everybody's viewing of the television. Like to start holding yourself with champagne. We've also got these bottles of sparkling wine, English sparkling wine, and for a second we can put it on ice so it's nice and cold. Then do let us know when we do the hot food orders soon. We also have our TUI cups on board today that have been reduced down to, well, I think it's £10. We only have one of every colour. The green ones, I think they're green. We have 4, 5, 6 of those, so more opportunity to basically have those. You get a free drink, I think, complimentary as well. So if you like any of the hot cups or the champagne, then let us know when we do the segment for you. So we don't accept cash, payments made by credit, debit, mobile payments. We don't accept American Express or prepaid travel cards. Seatbelt signs will go on shortly. You can then use the toilet. So there's one on the middle on the left-hand side. That's the door you board in. There's one on the right-hand side in the middle, the opposite side of where you board in. 2 in the towards the rear, one no 3. One on the left, 2 on the right, and then at the rear of the aircraft, one either side. So you need to cross from one side of the aircraft to the other. Please use your walkway approach as well. Make sure you use the toilet bits provided, but then dispose of hand and nappies they can across the toilet. So we'd like to make your time with us as relaxing as possible. The crew are here to enjoy your flight, so you're free to ask should you require any